Mommy Gio in the building.
Marquas International.
Marquas President.
Marquas International.
Give her one bola, give her two bola, give her Epa, when I give her one bola, give her two bola, she for don't marry, na kaka na ikosamu na la. No gogoro kosa.
My God.
Now she go find gogoro, you can't see gogoro because she can't drink. Epa, I greet the asshole.
We greet you too. We greet
If I don't finish, I'll go change my network. I don't know this network they disturb me. You know, let me listen very well, but I don't catch the points. If I make I tell you, as they see Marquas men, instead they see Marquas women, no.
Okay.
So women are your day husbands. See this woman, how many times I call you?
3 times.
You just dey man ass, go dey knock another bola. You understand? You go knock another bola, come give your husband for us. This woman not like this man for the beginning. If now watch this thing as it takes, not be one bola he knock, not be one this he bring, not be 2 bola he bring come out. He bring 2 pikin come out inside the bola knocking inside marriage. 2 pikin, he purposely do one epa, he open his eye. When the man don't go work, you go knock bola. You don't love this man. How can you deal with man? You dey go outside go knock bola. The man they take care of you. This man you dey collect money. Another what they call am winter hat. They call am for there.
Yeah, ultra height.
Winter hat. You dey collect am when you dey with the man. You weak.
Mommy, not only winter hats. What's it? Now winter hats. Oh,
I tell you. I tire. But this woman, I say this woman be they prepare for this man, no. This man for therefore don't say, hey, we don't lost one of our brother. I'm not gonna know where to buy this man. You know why they talk and say some people go say devil work. Devil not do this one. It be like when government pull law say no put pikin of 3 years for front chair. You no put on there. You go put her, you go say, God protect me, Allah. If they catch you, they go find you, they find the law of that thing what you do. That one no be devil work do one. Now you open your eye, now you go do one. Now you be this woman, devil no do anything. You do your husband ass. Now you go say, this man, I be single mother. This one go say, I be single mother. Now this kind of one, if in our village now, this kind of person, they go open that ikbekus, they go flog her. About 150 something latches for that like that ikbekus where they hot time. When you let them keep for one place. If I tell you the truth, if now village,
like, Mama, host need to invite them for us.
If now village, they go just open that ikbekus, they go flog her 50 latches for that ikbekus. When you let them put for one place. No sense. You want to be a single mother by no sense. You see man when they take off you. I just the original say if na my brother now, what na for don't use the eye see. Like that my brother now, when be say he dey with me here now. Another man, woman go do and this thing. What na go use it? The news go carry am. News go carry am. Because it's not easy to go work. A man go work, finish, take off pikin. Later you go tell say be pikin. And now you cause they do pass yourself. Now you no come down. Eh? Like that my brother when they close to me now, when don't stay with me, I don't care like my pikin. Come marry. Later come they see this kind of thing. Epa, they go say I don't be sister, better sister. Nobody go like me for that matter. Because this kind of thing, wait till you know say no go do your brother, no do another person pikin. No do another person brother. With everything they collect for this man hand. This man no they do anything, no they do it bad. Why you can't go like another bola? You can give your man 3 rounds a day, 4 rounds a day, 5 rounds a day. If they like him. You say no because you don't like that man and you money now you like. The man come out to go knock bola, carry belle, come ask. The man go to train you. Do you know the kind of drama where if person get belle? I don't know what other women they do. If me get belle, waiting at this my house, my eyes see. The night say you they sleep, wake up. The pikin they talk go like this, they talk like this. So why they sleep now? No sleep. I go they push her, You know the kind of drama where that man don't pass with another pikin belle, another man belle. This man don't go sleep for night, wake up in the morning, go walk. You carry and call you, they pretend and you you know say no be the man get that pikin. You dey collect with her whether na with her hand with her enemy for the man head again. You wicked. You be makwas woman. You be makwas well. Your own makwas no get part 2. Your own makwas you makwas too much. You are a wicked woman. After you go say why they call single mother? Now because of you. Now they call some single mother we know yourself. Single mother we know how to take care of their family, take care of their children because of you. Now you made they cause them. This kind of person, this kind of woman. Devil, let devil, allow devil to rest. Devil not do anything for this one. Now you open your pekus, go give another man, make you use blood and knock you. Come give you belly, come give another man. Open your eye, go do one. You are so wicked though. And if I go pray for this man, another pekus go come for a better one. We go keep the pekus for only you and go the knock. In the name of Jesus. You go see better pekus, maybe say fresh one. Fresh pekus. We go knock, give her better fresh pikin, will be your own. In the name of Jesus. May God give her strength to overcome more. Which kind of wahala be this? The man not go feel walk the way they walk again now. Go just the reason can you imagine? My wife go bring first pregnancy. You can't go see bring second pregnancy. Now that one I the buy person photo. Not be first one, only first one. Second one can't join her. Ha! Madam, you too do. You too do. If I catch you, the way I don't like the male they carry this way they take that white thing. That's why I take the vest for you now. That's why I take the vest for you. Nonsense. Makwas woman. Your pekus no let you keep one place. You they use money they cover eye. They go they knock there. If I catch this woman, what I go use the eye see? No go believe say I be Mommy Gio. Nonsense. Makwas woman, wicked woman. You don't even let me eat or everyone eat here. Food not let me eat. Food not let me eat again. You see, they pay me like my brother. If I pray for that man, no, you go see better so in Jesus' name. Arrest my case.
Thank you, amen.
God bless you. Thank you. Thank God say you never catch him. We'll see. Thank God say. Cause better the fears you can't come when they see you. Some people see they look for a way to sit and blame this man.
Okay.
People see they look for how to take. See, no be all case must be gender war. When something is bad. No, they look for a way to blame man for this kind of thing when woman don't mess up.
No.
I beg. See, you where they try to do, you where they listen to this one now where you say you know they happy. You go pray me that do one to your son. May your pikin call you say, Mommy, see what you woman do me. Why all these kind of people attempt say we need to the mark for comment section here and they very, very careful. Oh, so I made the next person continue.
Okay. Mama G, are you with us? Mama G.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome, ma.
I listened to the whole thing, and the thing they really shocking to me. And sister, I don't know whether she could listen to us now. Now those people make single mother not get value again. If you go platform now, other platform, you'll see the way that they raise insults upon single mothers. People like this. You know, people just want marry because of ring. Some want marry just to impress people. They don't really know the gravity, the law way guiding and govern marriage. Marriage now something where it constructed, and I don't know how to speak that English. When they say now God ordained now from the beginning, people don't get fear again. They don't get fear for marriage. They don't get respect for marriage, and they don't fear for the children when they want to bring on this world. If these children, which legacy they want to leave behind for these children, fear not they again. Person if you leave marriage now, just feel say go just do one before the man will know he don't come out. It not good. I want make people wey be say they see they hide, they practice this kind of thing, or they want indulge on and make them go back. No be good thing at all, especially for your own children. Wey be say you, which example you wan give them, which advice you wan give them? If peradventure they grow and they come meet this kind of story for ground, heartbreaking, how you want to see them down, begin dey caution them concerns of certain things? They're not gonna listen. They're not gonna listen. No disgrace, no shame pass this one. And as a woman, I want make you know, say, if it, Bible tell you, say, if your eye go make you, one of your eye will make you know enter, pluck and come out. If not wetin you carry for under, now that thing wan come make you be disgrace, not only to your marital vows, to your marriage, but also to your kids. It no dey forbidable. It no dey forbidable for you to carry a kpoko pepper. Oh, that rope wey they call aboliki. Put am.
Put am for where? For your eye?
May put am for the thing. By the time the thing receive aboliki, the thing receive akoko pepper. By the time you survive, by the time the thing realize, by the time the thing it go lay with sense. It go lay in a hard way. It no go push you next time. You understand? Marriage now something wey be say I don't see the reason why. Now woman dey shakara say I don't want again. I need some days so that the thing, I need some space so that you understand. Damn you now, you still get and you still come on, still go add another one. Who know whether na one man get these two children? You know good. It's very shameful, sister. It's very shameful. Now it's too late. It cannot be undone, but it's very shameful. Una they bring bad reputation to women. If you single tomorrow now, you don't make many single mothers miss chances. You know, they group single mothers as the same, whereas some of them are just victims. But people like you don't make them know, see the victims of those single mothers. Marriage now something we people suppose respect, protect. Why? Brother, you're supposed to thank your God. Yes, supposed to thank your God. Say you come across our host, or she herself come across our host. This woman for kill you. Because knowing fully well that you must find out one day, she for unlife you. I tell you, just thank your God. Thank your God. You thank God. Just they thank your God. Say you come across host. Or she come and get contact with her. She for unalive you, brother. My judgment is this. I beg you, if you decide to do or do now, you're right. But all the same, at the same time, for the sake of the kids, they are just victims. They don't send their mama. They just no be their fault. Say irresponsible mother bring them come this world. No be their fault. So I beg you, make you temper judgment with mercy. But I don't advise you, make you take this woman again as a wife. She is not qualified to be called wife. No. You understand? I believe she will learn in a hard way. If peradventure she fully repent, she can, retrace her step very well. You understand? So I beg, the children, don't leave them behind just at once. Not just call them off like that once. It go dey heartbreaking to them as well. Madam, you not try you. Fear God. You not try at all. Devil no fit do this one. Get wetin devil. You don't see where devil never minister to you say pikin when you born just pour out water. You just carry out water. You pour you say na devil. No. If that voice come, you rebuke am. Na so it be. You understand? If you never see woman when you put wetin they call aboliki for bekus before, at least one they talk to you. Now I don't do it before. Yes, after 5 years when I separate from my man. Yes, because they say if one of your eye go make you tired, will make you pluck and come out. Abi, anything will go push you, will bring disgrace to your family, to you, to your reputation, to your family, to your children. You need to deal with that in a hard way. You understand? So I beg, sister,
Madam,
don't
not verse.
fuck up.
Madam, not verse. People that listen to you. What you say you do before us now?
I say I don't do am before. If you never see woman wey put aboliki for Ikpekus before, me don't do. After 5 years, when I see say the thing why they drag me, I do it because I don't want that young. They use me swear that level, you understand? And you know,
They gonna drag you.
he want drag me go do what I want to, so I teach a lesson. So
Hey,
for
what's
the
the
next
answer,
this thing,
Lazaro?
it come to a time. I don't even know. You know, say woman monthly this thing don't finish. She gets body they do person sometimes. All those things die off. You understand? And na mind they control those things. You not supposed flash there in case your body drag you. They supposed deal with that, deal with your body, put in a position. You need to discipline, not be only children that they discipline. You adult, if you not beat yourself, discipline yourself. You yourself go do wetin yourself go imagine say na me do this one. You don't know. Eh?
Madam, for learning sake, don't vex, I beg, not vex. I know say this family don't from one family. You understand? So at the thing they drag you now, and you know what go commit. You see,
I know what.
You go-
Look, that time, actually, that time, I don't want to, you know, because they never collect money for my hand that time. The marriage, not they, you know, you understand? Just more like, you know, they exist. But I need to return money first, do it in a proper way. Because
Yes.
I remember, I can never forget. I remember where I sit down, I remember some things where they pronounce for my enemy head, all those kind. I dey fear. You understand? Because now let me one. I don't want, you understand? I don't want to make my family stranded. So I need to do it in a proper way. They need to collect that thing finish before I'll fit do anything. So I need to beat myself, discipline myself to that state, to that extent.
Okay,
You understand?
go put aboliki. How you take put an another one?
Yes, you're doing more. You're doing. But the time the thing receive
Let me say, you know, people they learn now.
by the time the thing receive some kind lesson, true to God, he no go ever drag you, he no go ever remember anything like that they exist. Any woman when they express that, may just try am. If you try am once, you see am say even you go stay for years, you no go, the thing no go even drag you. Your body no go make cane. You understand? So
Okay, madam, wait. You dey rush us. You dey rush us, madam. No rush. Allow we get to go work today. I free today. I want to go work. Madam, you wait. People dey here now. Your junior ones dey here when they learn. Based on the standard of this platform, all of us are one family. Madam, where you put her? Now inside you put her, being on top. Madam, no vex.
na Ikpekus na Ikpekus, yes.
Okay, you go
Yes.
apply. You can
You
apply.
never, if na village, this woman do this thing, if na village, she do this thing. You know when they call it way. You know when they call it pepper. They go put her for that thing. If na village, they go put it way for this time. They go put pepper. And they tell you they go tie her legs. She go learn in a hard way for good. If she feel comot, God free am for 7 years. If you see that thing when it start, when be like vertical, so she go dey run. You understand?
Okay, madam, last question. So first, ask you, how long did it take you if that time that one of your past?
No,
how
I
long
just
did
say
it take
after
you?
5 years, when I first so, I do like that because I have no option.
I know, but how long did it take if you put aboliki? How long did it take?
No, you not going to think about that thing. If you do and you to God, the thing it go disappear. You see that spirit when enter the thing when one drag you. You up like the spirit when enter you say go thief, and you not say they danger. What do you go do? You go discipline yourself not to do and be. Now so it be. So you need to discipline and for that to drag you.
It take 5 years.
I said after 5 years, when I say the thing won't drag me, now what thing I do because I was left with no option. You understand?
Yes.
So marriage is something that if you are not out of it, even if this man he come out, or maybe you pursue or one thing, or maybe you don't need them again, not be so that there is a way you do things respectfully. If you don't pay money for you make sure everything don't settle, you don't resolve, and you don't come out fully for the marriage before any other thing. But this one, you deal with this person. If they pay for Pikin when no born, sister, me you think if na you call. Yahweh begging, you just think if na me. Forget say the man don't know, but God know all those things. So. God did.
You see, madam, you see what you are causing now. Tell the comment section from Precious. She never still understand a part question. You see, when me you keep quiet, Nobody say you answer my question, but Sister Precious is not happy. She's not happy because she's learning, and a person when they learn very fast. My question when I ask you, please, madam, go direct to the point. You mean say if they put aboliki, how many years they take before they put again?
No, if you put that one, I not gonna know. But if you put, you don't go feel am. You know that kind of that spirit. So when enter you, so when one push, that spirit go flee. That spirit go flee. Now me tell you, if you never try and try it.
Madam, you use yourself as an example. Now your past be that. When you put aboliki, how many times it take you to take free?
At least it take me more than year. It take me more than year. Yes.
Okay, no more than you. Just once you put her.
Yes, only once.
Okay, only once. Okay.
Yes.
But you feel
And they say
Mommy G,
aboliki.
thank you. God bless you, Mommy G. Where's it?
Aboliki too strong, oh. Hey.
Madam,
Can I just chip in something
wait,
before I go
one
down?
question, I beg now. One question, Mama, please. I beg.
If I may you leave
Madam,
this thing now.
Mama G,
Sir,
when you put am, you feel am.
why you not feel am? Why you not gonna feel am? Hell, if you put water at the wall, so now wetin come make you do this thing? You come to ask your God and yourself. You're crazy, you're mad, by the time you realize, but that spirit, so you know say na spirit, na enter you not be me be this. You get some things. You know say never. I don't know whether we know say another spirit then when they possess us. We need to war. We need to fight against that spirit.
But this one don't
You
dey
fit dey us mad. Then you fit minister to you say,
Mommy
as
G,
e dey now,
Mommy
as
G,
e dey
where's
now,
it?
your husband travel.
You don't
I
Where's
want
the
give
Mommy
example
G?
now.
Okay, Mommy G, where's it? Thank you very much, Mama.
Now don't carry her comot for physical, go spiritual.
Meme, I beg, continue.
I wan say one thing, see for those, because I dey see some comment section coming from my gender for that saying when we dey talk about this thing, but I be like say their conscience that they do the thing, but they wan hype themselves up. If you dey with man, you dey man house. If you dey do if you are a nakademus woman, because this thing na one we don catch now. Many day out there. There are many out there. If you be nakademus, when you dey say oga hada, you dey carry another man, they say hada, and a lot of majority like 70%, ne? Now I think who was talking yesterday. Now flesh, now they want and raw. That is the reality of it. That raw before you know oga go release, you go say, oh sorry, no what happen, the guy you dey husband house or you get partner. May I tell you, during your ovulation, you do nakadema with two people, some of una self don't even they carry two identity for children self, una not even know. That is the reality of it, because they talk about this thing now. I see they see some women see they justify the fact, say somebody go carry somebody, a pikin, me another man, they trainer, they will do it to your brother. They will do it to your brother, because it's like some of them don't so damage to the level of some things. When something is wrong, we know if we talk again because we be gender. We are saying gender. More with the clap for the thing. Say with the same gender. It is wrong. My sister, that one when you talk. So I always talk about this, and I think also they talk about this thing too. If you get high libido, go look for man where you get high libido.
Period.
Not go get high libido. You define may do harder. It cannot be, because he has his own level of his libido. He gave lesser than yours. Because all this thing also it contribute to some of these things when they see. So that lady, maybe she might be having high level of libido, and he get one of the guy where we say he don't test her once, he can't they enjoy the thing. If you know say you define nakademus, then why don't you leave the man and enter the street and go for somebody else, rather than to be in that space and be bringing another person picking the call for innocent person. And the last one I will talk, because a lot of time I see they hear many times some men would they say, may you go make the money. But that get money now. But this woman not like her. You don't love her. You understand? It is not about money. Look for a partner that is compatible, because this woman don't even have feelings for this man. You don't even have feelings. If I get waiting one lady talk, if to say not be God help this man, ne? Now so women take they make some men, they drink some small thing, before you know, they will come diagnose the man, say get one sickness. You understand? Because she already know. She's aware of waiting, but the man not there aware. Waiting they suck. Now God help her earlier the better. Or maybe this man for don't train the children. They don't they in the because you don't they pay her money. Somebody when don't they pay you ultra heart, you people are still in the same marriage. If they pay you €700 for that same house, my dear, that person can stick by you. gradually, you know, will buy you once, maybe gradually. Matter if you there for happy, go check my profile. I know they fear. You understand? The truth should be said, the truth should be told. We are all the same, we are the same gender. But you see, when you are a single mother when one enter street, I'm still going to tell you the facts. What is wrong is wrong, what is right is right. Now was spoiler now for us. Now I believe a lot of them don't have FYP today. I believe say throughout these 2 months now we will hear and the innocent single mother they will say go they do now wife what they call children DNA it will rain when I will hear a host this thing will rain now for like 2 months. Is going to rain. So I mute my mic. Thank you very much. Bye everybody.
Thank you, Meme.
So
What
like
did
I
I
was
talk last
saying, let me
night?
finish.
Wait, no, Madam
What
Z,
did
it's
I talk
okay.
last
Wait,
night?
Madam Z, just mute. It's okay. Your turn, don't finish.
What did I
Wait.
talk last night? Last night, I bring something like this. Yes or no? If you deal with me. Last night, I can't bring something like this. Are they the same? The answer is no. Not be the same. We know say the woman they wrong go. But you know what that our God, that's so it be. What that woman trying to tell now just now. If you get person, if you know say you be that kind of woman, when you like am big, go find man when get am big go. Because if you don't see marry, you go still go dey cheat for her side. Because me tell her last night say, I don't know why we can't even teach a Ebola na everything. The one when you get, if you are a very responsible person, what like this, a guy will take user, a guy you will take user, the person will take user, you will do okay. You understand? It's not by saying must just big. You understand? Someone even big, now even stress, you not able to do anything. I beg. See what is up for herself now. I go answer. We'll continue.
And host,
I feel like say the woman no sorry sweet banana.
go
Because why the woman call the talk say na devil work.
Okay, why is it not devil work? So now when me come ask this man say, how come he tell no say this woman they cheat on him? He could tell me say he get one particular person. This same particular person now they comment on the wife Facebook. Okay, so me come confront the woman like that. Say, okay, you tell me now, this man not good. He said the man they okay, which is this our brother. He said they okay, but this man say they pay €750. Not true. He say yes, but that's why would they call that kind of money for a hand? Want to sell for the same house? He got keep quiet. Oh, that's okay. Now, see what the man they accuse you of. Say you throw her out because say this guy you want carry her in. He said the man they good, but what did she believe? Say that devil work. Because okay, what will happen? The only who can overcome this devil, you call this man, let her call they see the children. If you don't like her again, that will not be problem. But because they pay that money, make they see it because it only they cry because of these two small one when they dance so. Let the man they cry. But unfortunately, he will tell me say yes. But you know, we'll call the man, let the man in. And then call the mention that devil walk. Now he make it got put hatred on this guy.
And yes, and host, Sarah, please hold on 1 minute. You see, this thing, thanks, Mama Samuel, thanks a lot. You know, see, this conversation, I like the way they go in the sense that, you know, for life they say, if waiting one by person they come, waiting one safe person go to follow him.
Yes.
Host, listen to what I want to talk now. You know, say God have a special, unique way of doing things. You know, say this man not know you from Adam, eh? Now the woman, now they watch you. You see and say, this man now who God stand for. If this man has stopped this woman from watching you, this man would have died slowly. Nobody go know. You see, but this woman was still watching you. And this man was able to be humble. Underline that word.
Underline.
You see, he was able to be humble because so many of us may pride. Now they cry us.
Yes.
So many of us no go dey humble to take me to another man. Tell us where our shoe where we wear for the pain us.
Yes.
You see, now that humility where that man gets, now make you give that man listening ear. You see, and that same humility, Then make you consider say, you can't be comfortable to let this man take on like your brother say, my brother, please, be like say, you go for DNA.
Yes, because you want no one here. You want no one here.
Yes, because you want no one here. And now your advice, which is when the man take go for DNA now file nyash continue open.
Yes.
You see, Anna. So what I'm trying to say in essence is this: some of us men, where they listen, where they won't know say our wife, they listen to this platform. Oga, before you go begin to fight your wife, Oga, listen first, because this platform might be the place where you go run to when it don't set later. Some of our sisters still there here. Some of them we know they do well for us. Oga, the day when that same woman go no say you, they go tell us thing. They misbehave for us with evidence. Madam, he go behave herself. I'm telling you. Nobody know I finish. Even me where they talk any asshole. The day when me go still no say, person why they carry they go say, now us want go tell super market no they do well. See, no man is an island. No man is an epitome of knowledge. You don't understand? Everybody, we see it is a community where we correct each other in love and with love. Yes. Mama Sarah, I beg go on.
Wait, before Mama Sarah go on. Wait, Libana, do you know that one for our brother, the Nakademus man, maybe you know they will talk about the show. Up till now, you're not the comfortable. Up till now, even 1-9.
I agree the house.
Yes, Sarah.
All right. What do you believe for this life? Say, if person wants shit, na he mad the day. Even though the houseman is certified. You understand? Na he mad, na he day. According to Bini Parable, what will not You understand? You understand? Because if your husband is certified, even though say, if you are there outside, he must shit, no matter what. You understand? Some women don't say go their husband. You go see, because women will always admire another man. No, even though you know shit, according to this thing, Bini tradition, even though you know shit, for a man to admire another man alone, you don't shit. Do you understand me? But for that woman, I know, cause I can't meet the case like this. I don't know as it really happen. You understand? That's why. As for me, if you want shit, you don't need the man again. You better you quit. Just pack your load and go. You understand? If you know say the man you don't like leave the man alone, let him be. That is what I want to add for the issue, because I don't want to happen.
Okay, thank you very much. I will more allow Mama question.
My question, the building.
Question, you there? Question 1. Question 2. Question, you're muted. Unmute your side.
Aye.
We are talk to us.
Hello, everyone. Oh, God. Hello. I greet you. Long time.
We'll see, Mama.
I greet everybody. Now, give me some more time. I beg. I beg now. You see, I'm honestly, I'm speechless. I'm very, very speechless in this topic somehow. At the same time, the thing that affects me personally somehow as a woman, that have a lot of experience, personal experience. This matter be like one lady like that with the, I don't want where host did that where the bring come this table one time, where the lady not the one made the man they see the Pikin go bring only one. It just be like saying that woman would talk about so the story resemble. Why they let her, why they bring the other children, they always bring one. So be like say whatever I did do myself, I don't just know. Can't be like saying I am. So what am I trying to say? Some women, from our genders, they be snake under the green grass. I imagine myself when I was growing up, I was a lady already, but still single. I met my man. I'm going to enlighten a little bit of myself inside saying that time I fine girl. And this guy came, there was all the people, we were surrounded by Igbos, lot of people. We see all that tribe like that in Spain. So this man was like, came from Germany, he's very outspoken, but he's senior me. So that time I used to say things, and this guy came into my life. There are other people that were eyeing me, but they don't have the courage, the guts to come and speak to me, because the way I was. So this man approached me. Me now, I'm the only daughter of my mom, and time is going, and really, I was being pressured to get married and have my kids as a only daughter. So this man came into my life, and that is after 1 year. So I was scared. We had a court marriage, and I was waiting for my time. But people were not saying, "Oh, you don't want to get pregnant for you don't want to." So and I got pregnant. Do you know when I had my child, my first son in the hospital, this guy ran away. He ran away because my son was like an misrace. He went to call his Igbo people. They now came to the hospital. He was shocked because he couldn't expect what he was saying. But Adibi, that man, asked me for DNA. DNA is up to now. My son is 20 years. Adibi asked me for DNA. Instead of abandoning me for more than almost 16 years now, it could have been better. Yeah, than a woman will be with a man. Yeah, you are a single mother before you now had another, you now have the luck to be with another man, and you just decide to like betray that trust that man gives to you. Why some women are crying that they so-called gigolo men, they abandon their kids. They don't even care if they have children. They don't know how to sleep. But at the end of it all, when they are not grown up, they want to use those children to be against the mother, using one way or the other to come back. Now, thunder and I will fire all of them. You see what this woman did? I wish this what the single mother they are doing. That you see, they are calling us of us, insulting us. It's like we are like it's like they are disgrace, not we. You know that they call us names as if we did something like this woman did. When I was with my man, I have never cheated. I know how people come to me because I have an African market then. I know how, because they didn't believe that me, I can get married, because the way they saw me, they thought maybe I'm not a married type. But when this man came into my life, we started having issues. That son, till today, that man did not give that love to that my son. Because of that inferiority complex, he's a beautiful son. He denied me of that fatherhood to that child, all because of this same thing this woman did, thinking that all women are the same. Do you know how many women are going to be suffering about these things that we are just saying here? Agony of other person will become agony of another one. They transfer it as if it's a virus. It's such a shame, It happens already, but I'm not using my own experience to bring a little bit enlightenment. If I tell you, man, one day me, I will come to this platform, I'm going to cast my ex. Because I know go suffer for my own son finish, or my children finish. Then one man will come, they say, make it can't use my children against me. Imagine what a woman just did now. Cheating on a man. And that man was with her, living in the same house. Still paying money. The God that she has, God that she has that to even do that to a man that is dead for you, as if she doesn't know what is going on in this society we have to do. Then you still do that to your own fellow human being. With that, think, we forget that woman. Let me tell you that I was even on this comment section saying, oh, because of the kids. These days, sometimes it's good to bring the evil X out so that people will know them. That woman is even to bring to social media and bring a picture there. Because to show example so that all these women, when they talk that they with man, no will know who not they, no will know who they. Because it's not good to beat the hand that fed you. Honestly speaking, it's not good. A woman that can do that kind of thing can easily kill a man as well. It's very easy. If a man goes to cheat, it's different from a woman cheating. A woman that is cheating on top of a man in his house, that man is a dead man already. You understand? So, my prayer to this man is just that he should take heart. Yeah? No matter what, those children that is there, all of them, they are still like this. No matter how we're going to say, he's used to them. He saw them as if they are his children. So they are innocent. It's just the woman that is not satisfied with the man, the kind of man he is. But to be satisfied with a man, it's not about going to bed. Women should learn. If you want to explore with your look, we are in the Western world for crying out loud. There are ways to explore in a marriage. It doesn't mean you have to go and sleep with another man. We should look beyond bed, look beyond other things that are really things of life that is really characteristic to the way of the way we live. The caring of a man is more than all those things. A man that is not caring, if he's having something that is boom, doesn't mean it's going to be the only thing you'll be thinking of in your head. We should look beyond a man that is there that know our worth. And if he doesn't know those things that you think he doesn't know, but if you can look other things that he has, you can equally teach him. Not by bringing chaos to the rest of the kids. Yeah. What about if this man has to take other actions now? And he couldn't bear these pains and he took it more than the way we are saying here. What is going to be the repercussion? It's just kids. It's just kids. It will be a stain to their reputation in time to come. Just like I was saying about my baby father. Yeah. If I have to bring my own case to the social media, it's because I stood by it, because I'm ready to expose it. It's because to save my life and that of my kids. That is the only way I will do, because they are now grown up. So let us be wise. Both the one that abandon their children, both the one that is still husband house, cheating. If you know you don't love the man, just carry your load and go. Leave the man alone. There's no need of you want to play handicap game. If the man doesn't love the woman, leave the woman. Don't force things. We don't need to be forceful. This is not the life of forceful. Yeah, you can be a lonely person. Yeah, it's better to be alone than being with the devil. So I'll be resting my case. May God give you the grace, the man that is involved, and you the woman. If you have anything that you can do, yeah, to go and talk to your man, because we might be thinking it's too late. Sometimes it's not too late. Yeah, nobody's above mistakes in this world, but there are some mistakes there are mistakes that you can change, but there are some mistakes you cannot be able to change. But there's still an opportunity in any episode of knowledge. So try as much as you can. If you are hearing us, or we all that are here, since me, I talk from both sides. I don't just hold on to one side. You women that have done this mistake, yeah, if you know your man very well, use all your means, explain your disgrace to the call. If not the one to call, you have to call. Go. Don't have a deaf ear, because it is you that made this thing to come to social media, because it is your bad character, your evil attitude that brought you out. Because if you were not, even though you knew that that child is not of that man, you were still maltreating that man. How dare you? You were still maltreating that man. You were still doing things. Are you not a human being? The man you are doing all these things for, do you think it's really there for you? That you are just gambling your children for? I think you were not having death yet. These things couldn't have been up to this time. At least your picture supposed to fly on social media, so that we will know you, so that you can be able to adjust to yourself, so that you change your ways and give your life to God. This matter forgive you, but the ball is on your hand. The ball is in your hand. You can forgive, because it's a man that really loves you. He can forgive you. You understand? So I rest my case. To you all are there. You people should know God. Know that they fear God. Everything in this life, now God created. No matter how you say it be, everything they, but God is the infinite mercy of the world. Nobody has to say a final say. It's only God. So thank you, everybody. Both the one I did not say, well, please, you people should pardon me. I love you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you, Stash. Question. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Chef, I beg, make I just adjourn with you and talk a little. You see, every day now they shout here. Make goat they follow goat waka. Make cow no they follow ant they waka. Birds of the same feather, make they waka together. That woman no say this man, if you know the feed do for bed, he no big reach. Now at the beginning she for know when they measure their sizes. You go look for our own size, because some people own are well. Even if you carry palm tree, you lost them there, nothing. Harder. Make it no kill the innocent man. Put am on. When you know say na giant you be for inside there, go look for giant. As Brother Priest talk. Because some more not they hear anything. Even if you enter inside, you come out, you swim inside, you come out, you go say you no feel anything, it's small. Yes, the man small. Make it go look for palm tree. Make it pack come out. Make it go look for palm tree. Make it don't stop to they collect money from that man because you know say that man not being get children right from the beginning. He just they use the man for financial drive. Then not be na financial orgasm. Now he they use the man for. Then he go they take his own other drive. The whole drive. Naka drive. He go the collector from there. Satisfaction. He go the collector from Italia burger. Don't be surprised. Those other 3 children, if we check them, neighbor go get one inside. Because not be only one person go get all those children. Because now hot cake she be inside there. Nothing they satisfy them. Carry building, 6-story building put inside. He go swallow her. Make it go for our size. Thank you.
Mommy share. Mommy share. Go on.
Brother exceptional. Jesus. Now deep blue sea.
No, not true what? Not the truth I tell you. Because these women they go no say na small banana the man get or na small chipolate na the man get or small carrot. You go there because you dey use the man for financial orgasm.
Agbaka.
Whereas the person when they take the real orgasm, they for one corner.
Oh,
have you not seen some women? Some women will never release breast for man to touch. But they go do with man for us. They go say they don't want to make their breast go.
But exceptional, I drink small water.
Now what are they here?
Drink small water.
Mona,
Just
you
drink
put
small
woman for
water.
us. You don't put breast for us.
Mona, tell the show.
Come
We
back,
don't finish. No, do well.
Oh, make we leave the show for them. Leave the show for them.
We don't leave her for now.
Leave the show for them.
But
Go with
exceptional,
them. We carry breast, called Jonah. Go with them, we not suffer.
Mommy, share.
But exceptional, you say na infinity hole, no end, abi? All right. I'm back. So as with the toxins, I thought about something and I'm gonna, emphasize on what I said earlier. Right? There are some women who not genuinely know say na the wrong papa then give Pikin. No. You know that, right? Then do double dipping. And in their mind, now who knock them last na get Pikin. So nothing. Some of them were not a case of deceit. Right? They say they intentionally give the man the wrong Pikin. Some of them, a lot of them, don't know. Say, na the man wey first knock them. Na ain't fertilize their egg, not the one wey knock them second time. You understand? So this is why it's very important for men to do DNA. And my sisters, I said earlier, if your husband approach you say, or your man say he won't do DNA, let him do it. Let him do it. It's the only assurance they have. You don't understand. It is the only assurance they have. With what is happening, men no fit take and touch just say na me get that Pikin. Resemblance now what out. Because if all of us don't stay together as small, we'll start to look like each other. You understand? Let him do it. And this is to my dear sisters. If you knock 2 people within the same time frame, you need to go check it very well. And then another thing, because Sister Evie brought something to my attention, to my brothers. If he be say, you do DNA, no be your own, not just carry pew go pew that woman on. Because if he be say the Pikin not be 12 on our own, do you hear me? Especially in a place like Nigeria. If he be say the Pikin don't be the 12 on even get them. Before you pew the woman, before you drag her from pillar to post, make she go do DNA for that Pikin, to make sure there was no switch at birth. Because even here where I live, there's been stories and documentary of when they switch children at birth, intentionally or intentionally. So my brothers, I know this DNA is very sensitive. Very sensitive. If you do DNA for children and they not be your own, not fight yet. Make the mama do DNA first. If the Pikin na her own, then play you. But if it's not her own, then the hospital has some questions to answer. You understand? My sisters, if you knock 1, 2 different men, or 3 different men, or 5 different men, because with the exception, I say some of na deep blue sea. If you knock multiple men within the same time frame, and you carry belle, just make sure that you first start the DNA process. Because one way or the other, let me tell you something. One way or the other is going to come out too. Do you know that? One way or the other is going to come out. You see this woman, if they had told her that this her story, this DNA thing will come, if they had told her, she wouldn't have believed it. And maybe in her mind, she don't even know say nobody man get the children. You understand? She don't know. Well, it's hard because not 2, not be 1. So that one hard to defend because not 2 children, which means you either constantly they knock somebody else, and don't be surprised if not the same papa fit get those 2 children. You understand? If you know that you knock somebody within the same time frame, just be the one to start this thing, because it's going to come out. And if you want to hide it, let me warn you. It is dangerous for you to hide it. It is deceitful for you to hide it. And there will be a punishment deeper than a pit in hell for you. You know why? You go allow a grown man take another seed that does not belong to him, raise another seed that does not belong to him, without him knowing say not being seed. If a man wants to raise other children, it is okay. Nothing is wrong with that. But let it be the man's choice, not your choice. You understand? Do not push a child or impose a child on another man deceitfully. Don't make a man forcefully raise a child that is not his own child with the pretense that it's his own child. Like I said, if the man choose say he want raise another person Pikin, he met you as a single mom, is your cousin's child, whatever, it is the man's choice. It's okay. But not carry another man Pikin, give another man, make that man they raise him as his own. Because it is situation like that that will drive the man to pew you. You understand? It is dangerous for you to do that. It is deceitful, disheartening, and pure evil for you to do that. Even devil won't they blame man on. If he tell him and say, he not get hand for this. You understand? So again, the reason I'm saying and I'm emphasizing on if you knock two men around the same time, the reason I'm emphasizing on it, because I want to give some women the benefit of the doubt that they did not intentionally give another man Pikin to another man. They were not aware that sperm they stay for body that long. But if you know deep down in your heart, because you see we women, now we know. If you know deep down, you did knock 2 men the same time, and you carry belle, go and check those children. And as a man, if you find out that the children are not yours, before you go off and go crazy, make sure you check if the mother is their children. And if it's the children are the mothers, the DNA matches the mothers, then you can, whatever you do at that time, I don't think people will blame you much for it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Michelle. God bless you. God bless you. We appreciate you. Appreciate your time. In case now when they surprised for today's show, don't be surprised. Oh, make a draw na attention, go back small. Now this same platform, 91 for this that carry issue. Come tell me on my own for say Germany here. Say the man, which is the husband, we marry him. So the man, not be the man get Pikin when he carry. He don't born two Pikin for him, but not be the man get him. Me come ask him. Me I draw my go back small na Germany here. Me come ask him. So who get the Pikin? They come tell me say na the man friend, best friend, the husband best friend. Now he get those two children. But the same man, which is that one they different a little bit. The same man when he get those children, the same man know very well. Say not being get those children. He know, but he just only accept them. He know. He don't want DNA. He don't want to do DNA. Do you know why? The man now Bonisa, now Gabriel, now he be. So the wife they go outside, go they carry Pikin, they come they give her, and if they agree say now he get those Pikin, now this same platform. Okay? Along the run, he want to claim those children. Okay? While the friend they tell say no, he don't want to make the relationship of his friend and the husband break. So make he leave those Pikin for they don't need that. They don't want to come break his home. Because now boy marry. Now this same platform. Now for do that issue. But now can't forget. After the run, what can happen? The man want they claim those children. So they can't use government. They attack the man. Say the man must do DNA. The man can't go for DNA. So the same woman, where you carry Pikin come for outside, can't talk say them the man get her. The man can't insist to government say, now he get her. Okay? I want John and Mike go back small and they forget something for this platform.
Yeah, following you. Continue.
When the woman come declare, say, this man,
We remember.
the true can for those children, Yash. I gonna forget. Where Costi say the man the true can for those children, Yash. But what he be? He want to turn those children to read. So now the man call the dinner, say, not be you get Pikin, not be you get Pikin, and the man not come agree. But last, the woman call the fear, not some confidential for you. But I say the matter not finish. But I mean with these people, they carry the matter, they waka. Along the run, government can't demand for DNA. The man can't refuse. But last, he can't brainwash the youngest arm, which is the children welfare. Say he don't want to do DNA, blah, blah, blah. But unfortunately, he not can't get choice because why? The woman can't deny, I mean not see those children again. Because anytime they take on, now so nyash, now the woman repress those children. Now this platform will for do everything. Honestly, forget, for no way too. For no way. Now it's for say, call me, tell me the truth. Say, the man when I born for, not be get the children. But I also, waiting I want to do. Cause he say, wants to do that one. Don't see forget. Now see Germany here. Now woman for call me. Say the husband they insist for DNA. But she no say, not be the husband get those children. Waiting he want to.
What a Netflix.
We have been doing a lot for this platform.
A lot,
so this
yes.
is the first time. One not surprised, say, because now hear about this issue, it's not the first time. This is not the first time, not the second time, not the third time. Okay? We are always on this issue. Okay? Don't be surprised. That maker, it not surprise me. But why this woman all come make me vex? Because this thing for not even come out, I would say she listening to me. Most of now we call the watchers. We already tell and say, not be only to come watch us with the issue. Do you really have the love for the people you are seeing this platform? Okay? You will say you they watch us. Issue will happen. We want to talk to you. You will be vexed because of that aggression when you get. Because of that this thing when you get. You don't know, say, if person like me want to talk to you now as a woman, okay, maybe your husband can report issue to me. Meanwhile, I will talk to you and they deny me not to talk to you. You know what I will talk? I will say you not be bad person. I will say you not be good person because why? If you be good person, you forgive me listening ear. If you cannot give me listening ear, I'll come down and take classify you. Say, okay, that means what you do to your husband, it did worse. You see, because you can't be listening to somebody for years. You can say, okay, because and this person, I don't want to talk to her. Doesn't work like that. Just for hear what the person want to tell you. Not happen to this woman. Now be that one. I wish she listened to me. Let them see these children. Now they beg her for. Finish. Know that thing. So what if Bola will cause? Not be small war. Not be will cause. Anyway.
But
More like
host,
VK.
Vicky.
sorry,
Yes.
Vicky. Sorry, host. On behalf of the man, I think it was a good thing that the woman did not listen to you. I think it was a good thing.
Good
Because if to say he
afternoon, Mr.
listened to
Austin.
you, if to say he listened
Hello?
to you, the
VK,
story for not coming.
VK, wait.
You understand? I think they say Aswa there. Aswa na thing. Aswa. You understand? Because if she had listened to you, this man sounds like he's so in love with this woman. Like, regardless of her cheating, he wanted to just come back to her. He wanted her to accept him. You understand? It wasn't like he was begging for attention. So had that woman listened to you, this man for no say in the move from children to child. You understand? If for no say in don't graduate, in don't demote, they demote him from papa children to papa child. So Aswa, now I pursue that woman where she no listen to you. Where be say the truth is not out.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. But my job, we want to use one statement. Make her help and finish. Wait. Make her help my chef finish. On my job, we want to talk one parable. Make a quick feature her out. When you mention Aswa. Okay? It's and where Aswa re. A big wig.
Aswa gile, ye begwe. Agbaka.
Exactly. You correct. Make the clap for host. Clap for host.
No lag go, no they speak. More they
Thank
play.
you. Oh, thank you. Madam Chair, thank you very much. I bet more give VK.
Hello?
VK.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, talk to us.
Yeah, Mr. Austin, I'm very happy. Always I always watch you for issues like this where you dey tackle, especially this your platform. The kind of issues where you dey tackle, I'm very happy. Not be the issue where you dey handle. Not be all those people just carry picture, come out. This one that wetin involve lives, wetin fit make man just. You know they call solo quiet. Only you want the waka they go, you the talk before you know feel your enter motor, enter road, watch zebra line. The way I want contribute for this thing don't today rampart for Europe. And to me is very mandatory that men must to do this DNA so that you know where you stand for. If you know say you want to suffer for Pikin, you know say that this your Pikin that you dey suffer for. Well, just imagine that kind of man. You dey pay the woman dey collect money year to year for children wey e no get, and the woman know why. And yet the woman go see they use the children take dey punish her. Man, why some people? See these people? Some of these women this one are women wey be say not be waiting they grow up meet for us. They call the practice for Europe. Man, the thing they touch. As I was there, so I just put myself in the shoe of that man. Say, if not me, by now where I would be, what I want to do. And that guy said, "I need to first like he got. If not me be that guy, you first go check up first. Whether that woman don't try one or two things, we want to kill her slowly. No. Any woman will fit do that kind of thing. My brother, the woman can go out any way. If he take any drastic action, the thing they discussing. Only waiting I wanted the guy say she forget about that issue. He should not pay again, and he should move on with life. I don't say he go hard down. Just move on with life. But if he get the way of it reach the my family, may reach there. And make the guy make sure say not be trouble, but at least when they come to dialogue, they need to beg this man. They hold this man big apology. You don't understand? I grown up man like that's how I want to start. Because this thing what they talk so now, we go there, we go to cause problem between two families, but we not wish that one. I not even wish the guy may go to that extent. But at least the apology they hold on. The whole apology of they get any damages where they want to say, okay, see what to, yes, fine. Make the guy carry on with the life. Bro, for statistics, even for Europe everywhere, women are 5 times of men. So I don't know what the guy make it not too reason now. Make it just settle down, make it boof one, and make it not come collect money again. Because I know say if now some women because say they stupid because it's sign put you want to use that one against her, but people will still there. We will still join the macra. You know understand? So Mr. Austin, I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. God bless you. God bless you. You see, say sometimes in life, I already talk about this particular set of people. I want to tell now how they know them. Okay? If you want to know these people, this set of people they talk about, so they know how to cry. Okay? And they have innocent face. So that they want you to always feel for them. They hate the truth. The truth. They don't like the truth. If you tell them the truth, you will automatically become their enemy. Just to tell them the truth. Una know me very well. Outside the platform, I'm a different person. Outside. Most of them when they don't call me, I know how they behave outside the platform. Whenever they surprise, say, brother, still you not be like this for this thing. And they give you time to talk to me. I'll still arrange issue with you. We will favor everybody. Both people when we say they surround you, whether they're your husband or not. Okay? But fortunately, some of these few ones, when you talk to them, you can't go angry. You understand? If you see this woman, she look innocent. Brother. You will call brother. Only talking will talk, brother will talk, you will pass 30. You understand? You will pass 30. Same Edo State too. Same Edo State. You will pass 30. I was begging. You don't feel they collect 750 euro for somebody hand. 750 euro come up for person salary. The person has strength. Because you don't pursue for your house now. The person has strength. He come up for inside the salary. How much can remain? And I'm going to try to explain to her. Because there was never a time when I tell any woman for this place, say, go back to your husband. If you don't want, that's your cup of tea. Okay? But I own that to advise you. When children don't involve, there's a way I mediate. Please, as soon as they do the needful, if they pay, and there are evidence, my own, now to draw your attention. Oh, this man, they do this to you. Don't let the children when they feel say you they punish them with their father. Like this. I don't want to concern me. But later you will see these same women, some of them, they're very few. They want to change the narrative. They can't go find somebody who don't offer shit for market for where you dey. Person don't offer shit for market for where you dey. And after they can't make friend with that person. I know them very well. They can't go make friend with that person. You see, person will offer fail. They can't go make friend with that person just to gossip. For gossip's sake. You understand? We are just doing these things for humanity's sake. We get nothing out of it, and we are not even regretting it. You understand? We are not regretting it. But fortunately, me will tell now today, say, some of these same people, when they watch us for here, some of them, they know the hear word. Me I tell them the truth today. Some of these same people, when they watch us for here, some of them know the hear word for me. Okay? They shock una. Some of them, when they watch me for here, some of them they hear word for me. She shock una today. If you tell them the truth outside the social media, they are very angry and they are very bitter. They want me to always be in their favor. Even when I see the thing are bad thing. Even when me will be man. Even when me will be man, see the thing are bad thing. They want me to always tell them that this thing is good. But I can't be acting like this. For the sake of your children. If I tell you truth, take it. But you must not do it. But just take it. You know why? Because of the ancestors when me and una gather they serve. Because of God. You understand? Even though say I don't correct you publicly, but not me say I no will correct you privately. But the ability to tell some of them say this thing not be like this, it will trigger them, it will make them diverse. I can choose not to do this. You understand? It will make them diverse. You could invest for you. You could feel you could look yourself. You could feel guilty of yourself. This is my first time to say it here like this. You understand? This woman, they watch me. Then attract the husband. Come to talk to me. Probably he see the way the wife they praise me. I hope you see the trick now. Because instantly when the wife they praise me, say, this man they try. You see the story? Then I attract the man. Come to talk to me. If the man will not they watch me, if he give me listening ear, they go do DNA. You are the advisor. Say DNA must be carried out. Now me runner. Waiting made the same woman when they watch me, no listen to me in the first place. When I tell her, say, let this man they see those children. You see, I hope you understand the trick, whichever I try to talk. Even if I don't go straight to the point, but I try hit some trick for now. They could not understand. She not listening, but she they watch me. Not be only this woman. Not be only this woman. And some of them, for this same platform, wait till they sing every time. Yes, not be me want marry now. Me, I don't marry. Anything polygamy, I know they do them. Me now, I don't marry since 2003. Now I know my woman, the same village. I talk her every day. But when they sing one particular thing for this platform, you're supposed to understand, say this man know what they talk. Not be after they don't shift your pants, you gonna tell me. It make me think, say, you know one hear the truth in the first place before they shift your pants. How can only one person shift 4 people pants? Think about this. Think about this. Do you know the heart of disrespectful that it is to me? You understand? No, the kind of disrespect when that is doing to me.
Host, one person shift 4 of your student pants. Agbaka.
One person shift only 4 of your pants.
Agbaka.
Why big say that after the shift of pants? After the shift of pants. Why you not tell me before it happened? Some be laughing matter, brother. When I'm angry,
use that eye, they look everybody.
When I'm angry, sometimes you're supposed to feel it in me. But when you tell this the truth, they don't want. You know? See, my kind of person, I'm a very peaceful somebody. Forget about the way you are seeing me on social media. I'm a very peaceful from somebody. What will work for you and for your home is what I stand for. If it's not working, then you walk away. So let's not discuss about the relationship anymore or the marriage, but let's discuss about the children and the father and the mother. You know that they pay me. It pay me. That person now, because of the narrator now they find where they carry her, they enter. Me, I will narrate her. Because before the fifth one will come happen. I mean, they do one thing when I want to stop to today. I can't notice one thing. I know can't they praise people again. Yes. Because if I say I too praise this guy. And anybody when I praise for here, we may they feel say the person is a better person. Ask yourself, this same person, me not know him. I only know him for here. Not everybody when I talk say that good person be better person because why? And they see it good for another way. Not the way you got to say, just go wrong, enter inside. No. The one way you do last, that make me vex. I do like that woman, that sister. Not be all single father need marriage. They don't need woman. They need make us finish. So we'll continue our show.
Hallelujah, somebody. Some of us good online, but offline. Hey, Prissy, Hey, Prissy. Thank you very much. That was a solid message.
You see what this one is writing? You don't do matchmaking. Do we ever say anything matchmaking here?
No worry, may you not worry.
Now like matchmaking of what I just said.
Now say it be as a father. Every not be all Pikin they get sense. You must carry everybody follow body. So, but you just it's good you clear the air now. It's good you clear the air. Say for the fact say you praise person online, don't be say that person good. Or you know say me I the way they talk this for this platform. For the fact that some of us they come up, they talk very nice. Some of us get sense online, offline we not get sense. So you as a woman, you have to be very, very careful. Because I talked something just now. Some of us, if you go view our profile, the only thing where we get to offer, na only prick we carry on. We not get all that thing to offer. So you must be very, very careful. May you not go enter one chance. You understand? May you not go enter one chance. And for those, I beg, for the topic where we talk, let's come back home. We don't talk on so many things. Please, make we try. Let's talk on solution. Waiting this bros go fit do. Or if we still get advice for the sister, we still give her advice. My people, we don't talk a lot about the problem.
I get many.
Prince, we Mudianet John. See, let's talk about Mr. Andy. You did there.
You don't come.
Yes, Andy don't come.
I greet all of you now. God bless.
We greet you, Baba.
Nothing, sir.
We greet you. Okay.
Mr. Andy, good afternoon.
Okay, Mr. Andy, just talk now because most of us on the platform don't talk.
Maybe Mr. Andy talk. Now I'm the father of the house.
Baba Andy, go on. You're muted, Andy.
My people, I greet you now. Me, are they under the weather? Just listen to waiting to happen. I bet me when if I know the go, I go jump in later on. God bless.
All right, no wala, Baba. The Lord is your strength. The Lord is your strength. For the fact that you are hearing our voice now, we don't send healing to your circle, so that when you vano later now, you are going to vano with a lot of strength. Just take a cup of water and drink. Healing don't come. Yes, thank you very much. I beg. Who say get something to talk for the platform again? I beg.
That's not Prince.
Okay, Oga Prince, you did there. Talk now. Umay even one, yeah?
Prince, let talk the whole lot.
He don't hook.
If you know they make I talk, man.
Mama Marco has talked to us.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, Nana, go come.
I'm here.
Orene.
Prince is back. Prince is back.
Oh yeah, go on, Prince.
Prince is back with full ammunition. Let's distribute. Okay, let me start from our sister. Because, you know, host, I keep saying it. I have worked with many pastors. I have been a choir master before. I have been in choir session. I know what is playing. If I stand here and be watching people talking, I'll be laughing on my own. Because when it comes to choir master, I dey play jazz band as I dey like this. We know the story. Before we start today, if you see mama when they carry rice, this pikin carry akamu give pikin may go sell. If that pikin return back successfully, na be better pikin. Some fit sell theirself join the akamu. Some fit sell theirself join the mama, collect change. Don't be every pikin when you carry something wey you go hug, no be go come back successfully. Host, you are doing a great job. You are talking to now adults you dey deal with you. Now what you want make host understand? Now adults. These are not children, adults that know their left and right. It's just that you are trying to make them understand that thing they think is truth is not truth, but some are adamant to it. Anukumu no meme we wan less of them one. The grand mercy for mad person. Did you know he's going to drink that mercy? How sure are you for that preparation of that mercy you are preparing? That mad person will drink it. Oya whatever na rene naboha. Oya hem on your naboha. Not be every dog when they carry go hunt meat. Not be the listed to the owner for bush. Now few you go the command for bush, they go the listen to you. Now be this platform when you dey here, host. Not be every dog when you carry enter bush. Not be all of them go hear what you they talk. If you say go catch antelope, some go they pursue lizard. If you don't want go catch grass cutter, you go they pursue rabbit. You have to just manage them the way they are. Manage them. You see now, person when carry 911, huh? He go they find Camry pencil. Not even Lexus Jeep. Not with that 911. Brother, you said people were laughing. Me, I concur to it because you know why? If you know as your house be,
they don't be smaller.
If you know as your own body be, not go build a house when pass you. Wait for royal family, and not only you want for that house, you cannot meet up with the enjoyment you will meet inside that house. Because only you cannot occupy everywhere in that house. You see this, my sister, it did not started it from now. This habit started when he was small. When he was small, you know, we choir master, we choir mistress, we the church goer in those days, we know how to play the game. When you are with Mr. A, you are collecting from Mr. B. When you are Mr. B, you are collecting from Mr. C. This is one result to this, what happened like this today. AY did not come from your mother's belly. AY AY started from when you started growing up as an adult. Gigolo did not start from your mother's belly. It's an habit you generate yourself. It's a bad habit to generate yourself. And you forget you are going to have children. You see all these children, they know what they happen. They'll just keep you quiet. They play mumu, follow you. Until they are independent, you go know Pikin when you born. Make Pikin they independent, you go know how far. If you behave well as a mother, as a father, you will gain what you labor for. If you do not behave well, when your Pikin don't grow up, it go tell you what you do when it is small, when nothing answer you, because you know they're independent that time. I have seen it happen. I have seen it 101% happen. The Pikin tell Papa and Mama say, man, it is all those things when they do when they small. I not feel answer now because I know they're independent. Now, he blocked them. We should play a good role when it comes to father and mother. You come here, they give your verdict. A pago say, everybody talk. You dey throw stone when you know say you live in glass house. When you know say that thing, that verdict when you dey give, you are even swimming inside it. How will you be with a man inside house? A man inside house. It's not a boy. It's not an impotent man. You are with a man inside house. You go the cash ball for our side. Now you keep pass. We have keeper. We have talented keeper. When see they with their husband for house. If you play ball, come they go look at. They not go even keep up because their husband always say no for there. One, you lost your self-dignity. You are I don't know how to put this in English. You are somebody who you are not satisfied with what you have. You are not satisfied with what you have. What did they cause all this one? Now this Osunde boys went full Facebook. Any small thing, they don't show their carrot to woman. Married woman, you go they laugh. Ah, my husband. No, this don't be the type of person make come lift you up, come up for inside that grave. The hand, you not go see hand when hand come. Host was trying to rescue you from that pit. He give you hand. Come out of this grave when you want to enter. So. You were so
just
I don't know what to say the demon that possessed you because not be everything be Satan.
Brother Prince,